Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to Mathematics and EPH YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some student out there. So let's look at today's question is on physics. And the question says, when the speed of a car is half, its kinetic energy is dash. All right, so we have two cases here. Let's see. The first case, we have the car moving at what this velocity. All right, let's call this case 1. Then for case 2, okay, now the kinetic energy, has changed because it is observed that, the question says the speed of the car is what? Half. So what that means is we now have half of what? V. Okay, so half of V simply means half times V, and half times V, which is speed, is going to be V over what? 2. All right, so the kinetic energy, the initial kinetic energy here was actually, of course, the formula for kinetic energy is half of the mass of the car, okay, times what? The velocity of the car squared. All right, so when the speed is half, all right, so we want to know in terms of the initial kinetic energy, what has happened to what? The new kinetic energy. So the question here is trying to tell us, or the question here is trying to ask us what the new kinetic energy will become in relation to this. So all we need to do is this, okay? So the kinetic energy, the new kinetic energy is going to be half, okay, multiplied by what? Because the mass is still constant, but since the speed is half, so we're not going to use V, but we're going to use V over what? 2, all in bracket squared. Now from this we can observe, we want to solve this in such a way that we have all this in terms of what? This. So we want to solve this right hand part, for that we should be able to bring out this. So how do we do that? We can see that our kinetic energy, okay, is now equal to, we have half here, okay, multiplied by m, which is the mass. Now this we can write as what? V squared over what? 4. All right, because this is going to multiply itself. So v times v is v squared, 2 times 2 is 4. Now from this we can now be able to see that we have our half, m and v squared here. All right, so how do we simplify this further? All right, so we can simply see that v squared over 4, okay, v squared over 4 we can write in terms of fraction. We have 1 over 4 times what? V squared over 1. All right, so I want to try to write this in such a way that I want to be having half mv squared. So I can write the new kinetic energy in terms of this. So how do I do that? I'm going to first of all write this as half, okay, multiplied by what? We have the mass. Now v squared over 4, I'm going to use this, so we have 1 over 4 multiplied by what? V squared. So now that we have all that, we can now rearrange this so that we can have, our initial kinetic energy, which is this, by, the side of this expression. So what we are going to do is, our kinetic energy, the new kinetic energy is going to be, all right, now I can see, let me start with this first. We have 1/4 multiply, so we are left with what? Half mv squared, like we have here. So we can say half mv squared. All right, so the relationship between the new and the initial kinetic energy is Ke new, okay, is we have 1/4 of the initial kinetic what? Energy. All right, so since we have the new kinetic energy as what? Quartered. Okay, this is 1/4, so quartered, it means, okay, the kinetic energy, that's the new kinetic energy in this question is what? Quartered. So that gives us the simple solution to the simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, do well to subscribe and share this video to someone out there. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.